Andy. He asks, is tape reading indispensable when it comes to trading?
I don't think so at all. I think it can help, and it helps with more thin names. And when I'm like momentum trading breakouts and things like that, or seeing buyers come in, it can definitely help. It's definitely more of like something on my tool belt that I use, but it can also work opposite against you, where you think you're seeing things that aren't there because the price action's not there. You might be seeing things on the tape. So sometimes it can work adversely against you and kind of trick you into seeing things you're not seeing. So I use that as more of a confirmation to everything else I'm seeing with the daily chart, the intraday chart, as well as the tape reading. If that's all matching up, then it's very effective. But I don't think it's necessary at all. I think a lot of traders think they need it much more than they do.
Would you say like tape reading would be more important if you were a day trader, if you're a swing trader, if you're holding
day trading. If you're a swing trader, you don't need to even see a tape ever. Some of the best traders of all time have never seen a level 2. Like, they talk about. We always talk about this bullshit with Mark Minervini. He trades with no level 2. Like, he doesn't need. He's just a pure swing trader. He's one of the greatest traders of the last 50 years. And he trades on a laptop. Doesn't he just very simply game plans: buy here, sell here, and that's the same shit we're trying to do from a swing trading front. When I'm day trading and doing like crazy shit, that's when tape reading comes into play. But for the swing trading, it's just not necessary.
Yeah. I get like a lot of those questions asked to me, and I'm like, the only person I know who reads tape or reads it well where it helps is you, and I can't think of any other person that does. And it's for the person who is trying to use it. It's like, okay, you're using Robinhood, you're buying like 10 or 15 shares. Like, it's gonna take you 5 years before you even realize like who's down ticking, who's up ticking, who's limiting out. You're not gonna know any of these things. You're gonna see just numbers flashing on the screen, and you're gonna think, like you said, you're gonna see that mirage. You're gonna find that one big buyer and think it's gonna go up when it'll be just shorts covering.